So today we are going to discuss about important short question answers on Kubla Khan or A Vision in a Dream, a fragment by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the theme of the poem Kubla Khan? Answer. The interaction between man and nature is a major theme for Coleridge. It's painted all over Kubla Khan as we go from the dome of the river and then from the gardens to the sea. Sometimes he is focused on human characters, sometimes on natural forces. In fact, it's difficult to get away from this theme in this poem. Number 2. What does the poem Kubla Khan mean? Answer. The unnamed speaker of the poem tells of how a man named Kubla Khan traveled to the land of Xanadu. In Xanadu, Kubla found a fascinating pleasure dome that was a miracle of rare device. Because the dome was made of caves and ice and located in a sunny area, the speaker describes the construction composition of Xanadu. Number 3. Who or what is Kubla Khan in Samuel Taylor Coleridge's poem? Answer. According to Coleridge's preface to Kubla Khan, the poem was composed one night after he experienced an opium-influenced dream after reading a work describing Xanadu, the summer palace of the Mongol ruler and emperor of China Kublai Khan. Number 4. Where is Kubla Khan Pleasure Dome? Answer. The speaker describes the stately pleasure dome built in Xanadu according to the decree of Kubla Khan. In the place where Alph, the sacred river, ran through caverns measureless to man down to a sunless sea. Number 5. What is the tone of Kubla Khan? Answer. A dream changes mood on a dime and the word choice of the poem reflects the variability. Coleridge creates a calm and reasonable environment in the first stanza of the poem with stately pleasure dome decree and a sacred river flowing through forests ancient as the hills. Number 6. Who was the real Kubla Khan? Answer. Kublai Khan was the grandson of Genghis Khan and the founder of one dynasty in 13th century China. He was the first Mughal to rule over China when he conquered the Song dynasty in southern China in 1279. Number 7. Is Xanadu a real place? Answer. Site of Xanadu, north of the Great Wall. The site of Xanadu encompasses the remains of Kublai Khan's legendary capital city. Designed by the Mughal ruler's Chinese advisor Louis Bingqiao in 1256. Over a surface area of 25,000 ha, the site was a unique attempt to assimilate the nomadic Mongolian and Han Chinese cultures. Number 8. Did Kubla Khan a stately pleasure dome decree? Answer. In Xanadu, did Kubla Khan a stately pleasure dome decree where Alph, the sacred river, ran through caverns measureless to man down to a sunless sea. Number 9. What is the pleasure dome? Answer. Pleasure dome or pleasure dome may refer to a stately palace built by Khan in Kubla Khan. A poem by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, the pleasure dome carved on the super ship passenger train named for the poem. Number 10. How many lines does Kubla Khan have? Answer. The poem, according to Coleridge's account, is a fragment of what it should have been, amounting to what he was able to jot down from memory, 54 lines. Originally, his dream included between 200 and 300 lines. But he was only able to compose the first 30 before he was interrupted.